so tired of getting wet. God dang it.
Nice and wet again.
Damn, I heard those brakes on that Culligan truck or whatever it is back there. Thought it was me for a second. Like, what the heck? This shit is getting real old. It's rained every day for the past 5 days during the night, and it is not. You should probably watch what I say, but I'm not going to. It's not raining at the moment. I say that. I should watch what I say because now my visor is wet. Like it's raining again. So I have gotten wet every night since Thursday, or every morning since Thursday morning.
What?
Where's your windshield wiper?
Now it's all smeared.
Oh, I got fart. Oh yeah. But I've gotten wet every day since Thursday morning on my way home from work. And it's not actually raining today, and it didn't rain yesterday, but as you see, the road is all wet. And if the road is all wet, that means I am all wet. I think my exhaust got louder. Oh, there's some rain. Yeah, I feel those stings on my neck as I turn. Yeah. There's the rain. But again, and you know, it's halfway my own fault because I'm way too stubborn to buy rain gear. I say it every year. Like, you know, if I just buy rain gear, I wouldn't be as wet anymore. And then I'm like, no, it's alright, I don't ride in the rain that often. And then there's weeks like this where I've gotten wet for 5 days straight on my way home from work. Whatever. You know, I don't mind riding in the rain. I've said that before. I almost kind of enjoy it if I'm wearing sleeves, which I kind of am today, but not really. Like if I'm wearing my jacket, it's no big deal because I don't feel like I'm getting a tattoo for 30 minutes on my way home from work. Those bigger drops, man, they freaking sting. What does upset me about riding in the rain is I can't do wheelies. I love wheelies. I love wheelies. Go catch this guy up here. Quit dicking around. I gotta activate my visor wiper every every couple miles or so. You know what I'm talking about. You turn sideways, boom, clear visor. But anyway, yeah, that's about it, you know. Just letting you all know I'm sick of riding in the freaking rain. So I can't do wheelies. It really pisses me off. I really want the rain to choke on a fat dick. I'm kidding, next year we'll probably be in a drought and everybody be begging for rain. Definitely not in a drought in the Midwest this year, that's for freaking sure. Yeah. Unless the roads on the west side, which I see some blue sky over there, but I doubt it because they weren't yesterday. Unless the roads on the west side of town are dry, I won't be doing any wheelies on my way home. So I will talk to you all later. Now time to crank up the music!